This Ninja C30030 Foodi NeverStick Premium 12-inch fry pan is a great tool for any kitchen. It boasts a superheated nonstick coating. Food will slide right off, and cleanup is a breeze. This pan aims to make your cooking life easier. The hard-anodized exterior makes the Ninja C30030 Foodi NeverStick Premium 12-inch very durable. It resists scratches like a champ. And it's oven safe up to 500 degrees F. You can easily go from stovetop to oven with this pan. This functionality is a big plus for many cooks. It truly expands what you can do. Forget about food sticking and scrubbing for ages. The Ninja C30030 Foodi NeverStick Premium 12-inch changes expectations for nonstick pans. It sears beautifully, much like stainless steel. Plus, it cleans up with little effort. This pan is a reliable addition to your kitchen tools, and it could very well be the end of frustrating stuck-on food. Pros: never sticks, won't chip, won't flake, durable, heats evenly, oven safe to 500 degrees F, easy to clean, dishwasher safe, metal utensil safe, scratch resistant, good heat retention, ergonomic. Handle: induction compatible, long warranty. Cons: heavier than some pans, takes longer to preheat, handle design is unusual, no lid is included. Can be harder to flip food, warranty may not cover peeling, bottom may not be perfectly flat. Potential for coating to flake features: 12-inch fry pan, hard anodized, non-stick coating, very durable, oven safe to 500 degrees F. Slate gray color, premium quality, never stick tech, easy to clean, good for frying. This Ninja Foodi NeverStick Premium 12-inch fry pan is made with a special non-stick coating that is very strong, so food won't stick, chip, or flake off easily. It's made from hard anodized aluminum, which makes it tough and able to handle high heat up to 500 degrees F. Even in the oven. The pan is a slate gray color and is designed to be easy to clean. It's also good for frying food and is made with NeverStick technology for great cooking results. The Ninja C30030 Foodi NeverStick Premium 12-inch fry pan is made with a special non-stick coating that won't stick, chip, or flake easily. It's tough and can handle high heat up to 500 degrees F in the oven. This pan heats food evenly and is easy to clean. Even in the dishwasher, you can use metal tools on it without scratching it, and it holds heat well. It has a handle that's easy to grip and works on all kinds of stoves, including induction. Plus, it comes with a long warranty. However, it's a bit heavier and takes a little longer to heat up compared to some other pans. Some people might find the handle's design different, and it doesn't come with a lid. Also, it can be a little tricky to flip food in, and the warranty might not cover peeling. In some cases, the bottom of the pan might not be completely flat, and there's a small chance the coating could flake off over time.